GoSports Splash Hoop Pro Swimming Pool Basketball Game includes poolside water basketball hoop, 2 balls, and pump. Ships next day, to ship within 1 business day for immediate home delivery. Splash Hoop Pro, slam dunk on summer pool parties with the GoSports Splash Hoop Pro includes 1 Splash Hoop Pro, 2 inflatable water basketballs, and ball pump for the ultimate swimming pool party game. Swimming pool basketball hoop set by Hoop Shark yellow/blue inflatable hoop with ball perfect for competitive water play and trick. Amazing value. Experience why our customers rave about the quality and value of our pool hoop set. Total package, the included basketball will have you playing pool games in no time. High quality and durable, stronger material and improved geometry makes this the best pool hoop ever. BESTKID Ball Swimming Pool Basketball Hoop Inflatable Basketball Hoop Set with Ball, Pump. Complete package. This inflatable swimming pool basketball hoop set comes with basketball, pump and 2 needles included that will instantly get you going in pool games in no time. Fun for all size and ages. Keep kids, grandkids and adults occupied in summer. The size ensures everyone gets a chance to play and no one is left behind so that WAVERUNNER Swoosh 360 Swimming Pool Basketball Hoop Set by WAVERUNNER. Many ports for multiple shooters including a specially made port specifically for our signature water skipping ball. Includes an inflatable basketball hoop, inflatable basketball, water skipping swimming pool ball, and a pump with needle for the inflatable pool basketball. Made of heavy durable heavy gauge vinyl for long-lasting playtime. Stands 35 inches high and 36 inches in diameter. Pool basketball hoop, inflatable hoop with ball included. Extra large basketball shots pool games for parties, outdoor. Perfect pool games set. The pool basketball hoop is family size. The dimensions of the hoop, 47L x 43H inches. Diameter of the ball, 10 inches, safe for kids. This basketball hoop for kids includes a ball. An enhanced parent-child relationship. 6 score holes inflatable hoop. The pool toys feature 6 different points, 10, 25, 50, 75, 100, 500. Players toss basketballs into the goal, then the ball rolls out of the different holes to get the corresponding score. Who gets the most points wins. More challenging and fun for